Cranberry sauce. Everybody, hang on. I look it up. Oh, me glasses. My €1.50 deals glasses. Cranberry sauce. Everybody wants to know how to make cranberry sauce. As always, I should have really had that turned on at the start. As always, it's really simple. It's a lot easier. Can you buy it in a jar? Yes, saves you a whole lot of hassle and all that kind of shite. The reason why I'm showing you this is because you have 2 weeks to go. This is one of the things you can make, bang in the freezer and forget about it. Let's get down to our pan. Very simple. Oh, my wooden spoon. I could stop, but you can hear me talking. You know the drills. I don't edit. I don't do any of that kind of shit. I just keep it as real as I can. Look at the fucking state of me. I don't even put on fancy clothes, no makeup. Don't give a shit if I have a big red head on me. I'm just teaching you how to cook. What are we doing? Cranberry sauce. Oh, yes. Right. 1 full tub of cranberries in on a medium heat, -1. That has just shot a million miles over there. Here, oh, just to piss off all the lefties. Picked it up off the ground, threw it back in. Oh, which one was it? Anyway, there we have our lovely cranberries. This is simple, simple, simple. The only reason why I'm putting in a bit of red wine is because I have a mouthful left in that bottle and I went, that'll do. And that'll save me putting in more port. I bought this Super Value. They didn't sponsor me, but I saw it because a friend of mine told me about it, and it looks quite nice. Nice little bottle. Is it any good? I don't know. Probably not. Sure, let's find out, I suppose. This one doesn't have it smells all right. It is a reserve port. Very nice. Listen to your cranberries. Like everything, food talks to you. So they'll tell you when to start doing things. You want to hear a little bit of a pop, 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 that kind of stuff, right? That's going to happen fairly lively. I have 1 orange. Shite, forgot my sugar. No, I didn't. It's under here. Sugar to make it, because cranberries are bitter. Well, if they're bitter, why are we putting them with turkey? Don't forget, turkey, game. We need something fruity to cut through the gaminess of the turkey. And that's why traditionally we do cranberry sauce with turkeys. Very, very simple. Listen. Can you hear them? And soon enough, they will start popping. This is the easiest thing in the world to do. The ones you get in supermarkets are particularly bitter because, well, like most of what you're getting out of supermarkets, it's pretty shit quality. But that's what we have to work with. It's either that or go to somebody who's producing these things or buy your jar. But we'll fix it. Don't you worry. We will fix it. Listen away. Beautiful. That sounds good enough to me. Here's what I'm going to do. My mouthful of wine. Beautiful. I'm going to turn it down a little bit lower. I'm going to burn the whole place down. See, it sizzle, sizzle, sizzle away. The rind of a bit of an orange. As I said, the reason why we serve cranberry, I actually don't eat cranberry sauce. I'm not a big fan of it. My beloved wife loves it. And I get given out crap if I don't have it every Christmas. So I make it now and stick it in the freezer. Beautiful, that'll do. The rind of your orange. Whack it in. And it's a kind of a lovely, nice, now also going to put in the juice of said orange. Don't worry if pips go in. I'm not eating it, the wife can sift it out. So we put in the juice of a whole orange. And the beauty about this is, what kind of measurements are you using? Look, maybe you pick up an orange and there's not that much juice out of it. We'll add in a little bit more red wine. I don't drink alcohol. Put in a little bit of water. You should drink alcohol, it's great crack actually. That's a joke, that's a joke. Okay, so we put in our lovely juice of 1 orange. Don't be tempted to put in the juice of a lemon. Cranberries are already bitter enough. Now I should put in a sprinkle of sugar. How much sugar do I put in? Well, we're going to put in a sprinkle first of all, and when it's ready, we'll come back and taste it. And if it's still too bitter, we'll put in a bit more sugar, or maybe even a little bit of honey. I'm going to put in about maybe 1.5 tablespoons or so. I judge it by eye. I'm showing you this way so you can see it. Let's just say that's 1 tablespoon. I'm actually going to put in about 2 tablespoons because these things are chronically bitter. This is very, very simple. My port I must try it. 15 quid. Sounds good value if it's decent. It's actually quite bloody good. It's actually quite bloody good. I get a little bit of a spicy tone to it, which would go perfect in my cranberries. Well, how much am I putting in? About a glassful. Not even, don't forget, quarts, small glasses. And the last thing I'm going to put in, you can put in whatever you want. I saw Jamie Oliver do this. I saw do whatever that you want. I'm just showing you how to do my cranberry sauce. 1 cinnamon stick. Break it in half. Chuck it in. Here's what we're going to do. See the way it's all stopped? It's nice and calm now. Well, that's because I put in all the cold liquid into the hot pan. We're going to bring that up to a boil, simmer it until it turns into a jam consistency. That's your cranberry sauce made. We'll come back in 2 seconds and have a look at it. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Listen to them pop. Snap, crackle, and pop. I'm going to bring that down to a simmer now and let it simmer until it's ready. Now, look at this. Simmery, simmery, simmery. And look, see the way the liquid is nearly all kind of evaporated. The berries are all squashed. It's getting kind of like a jammy-like. We'll keep going, actually, because we're nearly there. We're nearly there. No, we won't. I'm about another 2 minutes away. But you can see the difference. Look, see the way it's all kind of evaporated, all the liquid, concentrated the flavor of it. Absolutely beautiful. We're about 30 seconds away. I won't bore you. We'll come back in 30 seconds. Right, 30 seconds later. Look, jammy-like consistency. Exactly what we're looking for. How simple was that? No trickery, no nothing. Let me move this around and show you what I'm going to do. Is that hot? No. Sorry, I'm taking all the boards off. Now, how simple was that? Really, really easy. I'm going to take it off the heat because it is done. I should show you. You're seeing the side of my head. Look, remember those tinfoil trays I was telling you about? It is now the 10th. Look at this. This is freaking delicious. Look at that. Try it. Just if you're going to try it, it's red hot with the sugar and the berries. Be very, very careful, right? You see if you need to adapt or adjust. But the fact that I'm freezing this, I'm going to taste it again when it comes out. Here we go, look, right? Straight into my little tray. Can you see what I'm doing? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, real time, 10 minutes max. Oh, by the way, that port is freaking delicious, right? It's in Super Value. They don't pay me to say that shit. They should, but they don't. It's 15 quid. It is perfect for a hot port. Absolutely pretty happy with that. And you can taste it in the cranberry sauce. My wife, well, she won't appreciate it, like all wives. They never appreciate their husbands, do they? She's going to absolutely love that. What do? I'm going to chill it down, make it go completely cold. Look, I'm going to write cranberry. I put my little cranberry sign. When that has gone completely cold, which will be a few hours, I put that on top, I close it down, and it's in the freezer. That's stuffing you can freeze, that's the cranberry sauce you can freeze, and now you know how simple, no fancy edits, no fancy music, no shit, just simple, honest to God cooking. It actually is delicious, I have to admit. That, when I eat my cranberry sauce, never at the dinner table, in a turkey sandwich the following day, or about 2 hours after I have my dinner, because you don't get this from not eating. It's absolutely in shitty sliced pan, a load of butter, mushy peas, turkey, and the cranberry sauce. Mwah! Now you know how to make it. It's that simple. Let me know, you enjoy these videos? Anybody watching? I'm fucking talking to myself? I don't know. Let me know what you think.